Jerrycan filling machine, automatic filling machine, automatic weighing, high metering accuracy, automatic capping, saving labor.
We designed and manufactured filling and packaging machines that serves industries such as petrochemical, chemical, paints, oils, foods, pharmaceutical, and other agricultural sectors. Our engineering teams focused on high technologies development, quality enhancement, safety, and humanizing operating systems. Our core business covers geographically over Southeast Asia, China, Middle East, Africa, Europe, etc. Based on the more than 20 years of development experience of the company's technical team, GLZON is actively participating in and promoting the fourth industrial revolution in all walks of life in my country, and writing the future of digital industrial automation in the industry. With the rapid development of Industry 4.0 around the world, GLZON Group is willing to work with you to develop and create win-win situations. We integrate knowledge, constantly break through ourselves, and innovate to help China Manufacturing 2025 develop. Our liquid filling machines guarantee the maximum productivity of the processes, prioritizing the safety of employees and offering post-sales technical support with great added value. Through the years, we have introduced the innovative smart filling concept. This concept, which incorporates the latest technologies available, allows for achieving high levels of productivity with great accuracy and precision. This function allows us to adapt to different types of products: chemical, petrochemical, agrochemical, food, containers, and environments. We are specialized in creating liquid filling systems for containers from 1 to 1,500 liters. Discover our range of liquid fillers. We can offer you basic to fully automated filling systems. Today, our customer-focused approach will be on project proposal/management/execution and after-sales support. Our service support are committed, widely recognized, and thus build up our good reputation. We are taking more determined steps to meet the inspection of customers with high-quality products. Customers are welcome to order our products.